Using the particle model theory, we will explain and demonstrate how this experiment will depict solid and liquid interaction, showing and explaining how different matter cooperate when pebbles and water are consumed in the same container. In this picture, the pink counters represent the gas particles. Gas particles have lots of free space between each other and can vibrate and move past each other in a fast-paced manner. Just like liquids, gas particles occupy the space and volume of what they are consuming. In this picture, the yellow counters represent liquids. Liquid particles flow easy, unlike solid particles, which have restricted movement. Liquid particles can vibrate and move and slide past one another. Liquid particles take the shape of which container they are occupying, in no regular arrangement, unlike solids which remain in the same shape and size. In this picture, the green counters represent solids. Solid particles are tightly packed together and usually sit in a regular pattern, which shows that they are strongly attracted to each other. Solid particles are very rigid, which restricts them from moving place to place, although they do vibrate. Solid particles always have a fixed volume and shape. Using the particle model theory, we will explain and demonstrate how this experiment will depict solid and liquid interaction, showing and explaining how different matter cooperate when pebbles and water are consumed in the same container. The liquids are entering the solid environment. Although the solids are in a rigid state and don't have any movement, the liquid particles are easy flowing, vibrating and moving, which is allowing the liquid particles to interact with the solid particles. In this case, the pebbles are heavier than the water, which means they will remain at the bottom of the container, with the liquid particles positioning themselves in the gaps of the solid particles, and also sitting slightly above the solid particles. The solid particles no longer have their regular pattern established, as this has been disrupted by the liquid particles taking shape of the container. The attraction between the solid particles isn't as high anymore, as they have been separated by the liquid particles. Thus, in conclusion, the jar of pebbles will not overflow from the added water, due to the fact that the liquids have created gaps between solid particles, which allowed them to take shape of the container, and leading to the jar not overfilling.